In this video, we're going to look at converging geometric series, and what's important to know is because it's converging, the ratio must be somewhere between -1 and 1. And so just by writing that, you've typically picked up a mark. And then the next challenge just becomes to work out R. And the way we get R, a reminder, it's term 2 over term 1 or term 3 over term 2, whichever in a sense looks easiest. And so what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to work out the ratio, term 2 over term 1, term 2, I will take 8 divided by 16, that's just a half, and the bracket squared over the bracket at the bottom will cancel with the squared, and I'll just be left with the 2p minus 5, and so I end up with 2p minus 5 over 2. So I've shown that I know what converging means. I've put the value of R that I've just worked out in between there, and then the rest kind of becomes like a grade 10 inequality question where I'm just timesing both sides by 2. Then I'm left taking the positive 5 across, and then I divide by 2 to get p by itself. If for some reason you ended up at this step with a minus p and you need to divide by -2, just remember that when you divide by a negative, the way that the inequality faces will change. And so that was a subtle little trick when you first learned inequalities, that the direction of the inequality changes. And so that basically means that if I choose a p-value somewhere between 3 over 2 and 7 over 2, and I put it back into the question, you would notice that the actual terms that I then got when I did term 2 over term 1 or term 3 over term 2, the ratio between -1 and 1. And that's how you can do converging geometric series. I hope that you found that helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.